guys, happy new month. So I pray that this second half of this year shall be filled with testimony for you in Jesus' name. And today being the second half of the year, beginning of the second half of the year, I just want to briefly discuss on something. And today, I wanted to check something that I just noticed this morning. Today is my thank you ma for joining me. Today is my husband's birthday. So after all the preparation, so I took my phone. I was listening to reading some news, and I was amazed to look at how much a dollar has really turned to naira. Wow. And that is why I cannot keep quiet, and I want to tell all our clients or prospects in diaspora this: thank you so much, man. This is the time for you to invest. We call something that's taking advantage. When situation like this happened, people tend to take advantage of situation. If it is a bad situation, God forbid, you see like what we experienced in Lagos at Lekki, because of what really happened, some hoodlums took advantage. They loot so many places and they vandalized so many that I was really bitter about. What do I want to bring from this illustration is taking advantage. They took advantage then negatively. That taking advantage in a positive way. We have property in a strategic location. Guess what? We even have a shopping mall complex which is off plan at Asokoro at the heartbeat of Abuja. You can't beat that anywhere. Just DM to get you. One thing that some people don't know when it's come to taking advantage is that when a property is being launched, you don't need to see, oh, this property, they've not started anything yet, there's nothing there, what do you want me to invest? You say I should come and buy a house, you could say I should come and buy office space, you will say I should come and buy shops. So where are the houses? But I'm happy to tell you that something that we call taking advantage is what I want to think about. Think about taking advantage. Even now that people in diaspora taking advantage of the current economy regarding dollar and naira rates. You can imagine when you have $500 or you have $2,000, you have $3,000. You can imagine the property you are going to buy in Lagos. You can imagine the property you are going to embark in Abuja, Port Harcourt, in the east. So take advantage, positive taking advantage, give you a hedge order. Leverage on this current situation. A lot of people did not know that in real estate, when it comes to investment in real estate, taking advantage of the present situation positively really help you to be ahead of others, and it helps you to be there before others started waking up that they want to come and join. And that is why I cannot keep quiet, because of the celebration mood I am right now, than to come on live to show us and to inform us. We have some of our promo that just launched. It's in a strategic location. We have Ocean View, with good title. I used to tell us that anytime you want to invest in a property, either land or house, office space, in a place that have what we call genuine title. A lot of people, when they invest in the course of invest, yes, thank you, seize the moment and get the best value. Thank you. Get the best value. Don't see the present. In fact, I miss, how can $1 be 500 naira? Do you know that money you are still saving in bank, you can use it and embark on real estate investment journey, and guess what, you will thank me later. I did live video yesterday on how you can be saved from being scammed, how people cannot dupe you. I told us that you first of all make a research on whom you are dealing with, and also make sure you don't pay into an individual account, pay into the corporate account. If you are buying for company A, make sure that it's this company A account detail that you are paying into, and also do your due diligence. I told you that if Femi comes, we have our legal department that we run our due diligence without charging our prospects or clients. And this is amazing that most of our clients usually fall in love with, because we take the burden off our clients and we give them value. So just a word of advice for especially people in diaspora: take advantage of this season. Tomorrow, no, you never can tell, or next week, or 2 weeks time, and you'll be surprised that $1 now come to like 300 naira. But now that is you understand, that is 500. Take advantage and key in any of the ongoing promo, especially when you hear that a property is just being launched. Any launched property at that launching price, once you key in, then you will enjoy before others will wake up and say, oh, which property are you saying? Tell me about it. Of course, the price must have gone up. They will not buy the same price you bought yours. And this is the secret that so many people don't know in real estate. You get there before others join you, and you get the value, you get your money saved. Instead of using your you want to buy a property of 5 million, instead of buying it for 10 million later, you are buying it for 5 million, and you still have extra money to use to buy another one. So a lot of people say, oh no, I don't need property again, but I want to tell you that if you buy one, get more. You buy two, buy more. It is like a wealth creation. So what do you want to leave for your unborn children? What do you want to leave for your offspring? We had so many names, and by the time we began to say, the children will be so happy. So your generation is waiting for you. Take advantage. It is very, very, very important. You have property in strategic location that with good title. We have some houses. We have buy and build that you can newly build, that you can just make your payment and move in immediately. We have 2-bedroom, we have 3-bedroom flats, we have duplexes, we have terrace, we have fully detached. With initial deposit, you can just kickstart the journey, and you will be amazed for what you are going to get in return. One of my clients in Canada bought a house. The place was bare bush, yes, but because of trust, she kick-started it with just deposit of 5 million naira, and she got 5-bedroom fully detached for 45 million naira. That same property that she bought last year is now selling for 70 million naira. So you can imagine, real estate is always, can I call it that, the red crude oil now is the big deal. And that is why they call it real estate, because it is real, tangible. You can feel it, you can touch it. I was amazed when I sent the video of the house to my client. She was just dancing when I informed her that, oh, the house that you bought is now selling for 70 million. You can imagine. And she bought for, at the space of 18 months, she bought everything together for installment payment for 50 million. Assuming she paid outright, she will get it for 45. But because the payment was spread for 18 good months, the same place that she bought for 50 million altogether for 18 months installment payment is now selling for 70 million. And guess what? Anybody that want to buy it now, outright payment is that 70 million. So if anyone is buying it the same place on installment payments, definitely you can't pay 70 million. You will end up pay extra, making it 75 million. So what are you waiting for? A lot of people will say, oh, because of their past experience. I'm going to speak on something tomorrow, and I want you to join me. Those people that you don't need to move with or listen to anytime you want to embark on real estate journey. I'm going to speak on that tomorrow by the grace of God. Till I see you tomorrow, thank you, sis, for joining me. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much. So joining me tomorrow. Join me tomorrow exactly this time, exactly 3:30. Join me tomorrow so that I will let you know if you want to embark on real estate journey, those that you don't need to listen to or move with or hear or hearken to the advice, those that cannot advise you, those that they don't have anything to offer you. Please join me and you will thank me later. Thank you so much again for joining me. Real estate investments is still the best deal. So join the smart investor today. My name is Grace Michael again. I am the Chief Executive Director of Femic Homes. So I can be reached on 080 34936 769. Again, 080 34936 769. Thank you so much for joining me. Till I see you in my next video. Bye.